Assalamu alaikum and welcome to mathematics class for standard 7th, chapter 13, exponents and powers, part 3. What you're going to learn from this video, student, in this you are going to learn the solution of exercise 13.2. So let us begin. So let us start with the 13.2 exercise, question number 1. Using laws of exponents, simplify and write the answers in exponential form. Now what are the laws of exponent? I have already explained you when I was actually giving you the introduction and points to remember that how the laws are applied when the bases are same and multiplied, so the powers are added. This is first law. When the bases are same and division is there, then it is the powers are subtracted. The next law is powers of power. So if powers of power is there, then both the powers are multiplied, and when the bases are not same but given in bracket, then outside the bracket whatever power is there we distribute inside the bracket to the different bases. Similarly, when the bases are not same and they are divided, outside the bracket they have one common power, then that exponent or power is distributed inside to both the bases which are in division form. These are the laws which I have explained you. One more law I explained you regarding 0, that if any base is there, any number or letter, but the power is 0, then the whole base with the power 0 turns to 1. This was the all laws which I explained you. Now let us apply that laws here. Now as you could see here, all the bases are same and being multiplied. So what I'm going to do, I will just write the base one time and all the powers will be added. That means 2 plus 4 plus 8. So 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 4 14. So 3 to the power 14. Now no need to multiply 3 14 times. That is 3 multiple 3 multiple 3 multiple 3 multiple 3. No need to do this. Why? Because here the question is written that simplify and write the answers in exponential form. So this is the exponential form of this question, and you have brought the answer in exponential form. So this is your final answer. Now let us move on to the next question where the division is there. So when the bases are same and they have been divided, the powers will get subtracted, that is minus. So 15 minus 10, your answer will be 6 to the power 5, and as we are going to get the answer in exponential form, so this will be the final answer. Now let us move on to the next question, number 4. 7 to the power x multiplied 7 to the power 2. As you can see, the bases of 7 are same, so we will write that base 7 one time and x plus 2. Now when the numbers are given, we add them as we have seen earlier. That 2 plus 4 plus 8, if it is given like that, we can add them. We can add 2 with 4 and then with 8, and we can get the final answer as 14. But when the letters are there with the numbers, then not possible addition. Then this kind of power will remain as it is and you are with the answer. Understood, student? Now let us move on to the fifth question. Here we have power of power. That means the power will get multiplied. 5 2 power multiplied by 3 power, right? And here the division sign is there. That is 5 to the power 3. So first of all, let's multiply them. So the answer is 5 and 2 3s are 6 being divided by 5 to the power 3. Now you have the common bases, right? The bases are same and you have division sign in between. So the powers will get subtracted. Now we are going to apply another law. So that is 5 to the power 6 minus 3 and you get the answer is 5. 6 minus 3 is 3. So your answer is 3 and as you are going to get the answer in exponential form, so this is your final answer. I hope student you are understanding well. Now let us move on to the 9th question, where inside the bracket the division is given and outside the bracket multiplication is given. Now according to BODMAS, that is BODMAS. So B stands for bracket, O stands for opening, and then DMAS. So D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. Accordingly we have to move with this law. So bracket of this question will be opening. So we have to open the bracket first. So as you could see here, we have to solve and then open. You cannot open directly. So the bases are same inside the bracket and division is there. So powers will get subtracted, that is 20 minus 15. And outside the bracket, as we are doing nothing, we are just going to write them as it is. Now 20 minus 15 will be 2 to the power 5. We have to write the base and then we have to solve the powers of subtraction. After solving you get 5. Okay, and then I am writing this multiple 2 to the power 3 here. Now you could see here the bases are again same. So we are going to take it as one time commonly, and as multiplication sign is there, so powers will get added, that is 5 plus 3. So your answer is 2 to the power 8 and this is your final answer. Now let us move on to the question number 10. It's 8 to the power t divided by 8 to the power 2. Now as you could see, division sign is there with the common bases. So what we are going to do, we are going to write this 8 commonly as one time and the power t minus 2 because division sign is there. Now as you could see, if letter is there, then subtraction cannot be carried over. So what we are going to do, this will be the final answer. Okay students, now let us move on to the next question. The next question is of exercise 13.2 second one. Simplify and express each of the following in exponential form. You have to simplify. Simplify means solve. You have to solve them and you have to get the answer in the exponential form. Now let us move on to here. As you could see, it is 2 cube multiple 3 to the power 4 and 4. Okay, here you have divided by 3 and 32. So first of all, think that all the bases you have to bring in equality. Now can you make this 4 as 2? Yes, we can. 2 2s are 4, that is 2 square. So let us write down in this manner. 2 cube multiple 3 to the power 4 multiple 2 square divided by 3 multiple. Now we have to bring this 32 in 2 or 3 product form. Okay, prime products. Now for that, let us do some rough work of this. So if you want to do rough work, you may do it at the back side of the page, but I suggest please do it at the right corner of your solving of this sum so that you can show the method of 32 or the factorization here. So better always carry out your factorization to the right hand side of your solution of your sums. Okay, so let's start. 2 1s are 2, 1 carried, it is 12 now. So 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Now as you could see, we have reached till 1. So this is the total, what is it? that is nothing but how many times 2 is multiplied? 5 times. So we have the exponential form of 32 as 2 to the power 5, because here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 2 stable has been taken to divide 32, right? So 2 has the power 5. So instead of 32, now we are going to write with this form 2 to the power 5. Now why we are doing like this? So that we can bring the things similar. Now could you see here? Now let us solve up. Here 2 and 2 are same and they are in multiplication form. So the powers are added. That means we bring 2 as 3 this power plus this power 2. And 3 is alone here. So let it be. Okay, divided by down we have only 3. 3 has nothing power. If no power is there, we will consider what? 1. We will always consider it as 1. And here we have just now brought 32 as 2 to the power 5. Now add them. It's 2 plus 3, 5. And here 3 to the power 4, 3 to the power 1 multiplied 2 to the power 5. Okay, now I am doing your rest of all sum here. I'm doing the rest. See, I have solved it. I'm going to do the rest of all sum here. This 5 and this 5. You could see they are in division form. One is in the numerator, other is in the denominator. That means they are in division form. So we will subtract the powers because they are in division form. Now you could see 3 also, one in the numerator, another in the denominator. So this 3 is also in division form, so powers will get subtracted. That is 3 to the power 4 minus 1. Above power will subtract below power. That means 4, this 5 minus 5 and this 4 minus 2. Always the numerator power you have to write first and denominator's power you have to write afterwards. 5 minus 5 is 0. And 4 minus 1 is 3. Now, any number to the power 0 is nothing but 1. Multiplied 3 to the power 3 and 1 will get multiplied by any number. The number doesn't change it, it remains the same. And so, this is your final answer. I hope student you have understood well. Okay, now let's move on to the second question of the same sum. Here powers of power. So let us first multiply 5, 2 with 3, correct? And 5 here power 4. This is inside the bracket. So first of all we have to solve the bracket. Then only we do something outside. Okay? So let it write down as it is. Now 2 3s are 6. So here we have 5 to the power 6 multiply 5 to the power 4. Divided by 5 to the power 7. Now here the bases are same, multiplication sign is there, so powers will get added. That is 5, 6 plus 4, correct? Divided by 5 to the power 7. Now 6 plus 4 is 10, that is 5 to the power 10 divided by 5 to the power 7. Now the bases are same, division sign has come, so 10 and 7 will get subtracted. That is 5, 10 minus 7. So what is the answer? Correct, answer is 5 to the power 3. So this will be your final answer. Now let us move ahead. Students, the next question is number 5, where 3 to the power 7 is there divided by 3 to the power 4 and this. So let us do it. Now we have only one digit up, nothing to be done there. So we are going to write it as it is. But below we have the powers, the base is same. So we are going to write 3 here and 4 plus 3 here. So it will be 3 to the power 7 upon 3 to the power 7. Okay, so I am doing the rest of all sum here. That is equals to Now 7 and 7 division form. This 3 and this 3 is in division form. This line is nothing but division form. Numerator, denominator. So fraction is in division form. So we have 3 to the power 7 minus 7. So answer is 3 to the power 0. Now if any number or letter has come with the power 0, then the letters and numbers are removed and we have to write the answer as just 1. You understood, student? So this is how we are going to do it. Now the next sum is number 6, where 2 to the power 0 plus 3 to the power 0 plus 4 to the power 0. So as you can see, all the bases are different, but they have the power as 0. So any number it may be or any letter, but 0 power is there. You have to write 1. So 2 to the power 0 is 1 plus 3 to the power 0 is 1 plus 4 to the power 0 is 1. Okay. So 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3. So answer is 3. Understood? Now let us move ahead to the 8th question, where the same numbers with the same powers is there, but only difference that instead of having addition sign was here, now they have given you multiplication. So let us start. 2 to the power 0 is 1, multiply. 3 to the power 0 is 1, multiply. 4 to the power 0 is 1. 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1. You multiply 1 2 times, 3 times or 100 times, the answer always comes as 1. So see, when addition was given, the answer came as 3, but when multiplication is given, after multiplying we get the answer 1. Okay, so now let us move on here. As you can see, here the basis of A is same, but here the base of 2 and 4 is given. So let us bring this 4 with the base 2. So here we have 2 to the power 8 multiply a to the power 5 upon, this is 2, 4, this is 4 means 2 square, and this 3 will be written out because 4 is having the power 3. So let's bring this 4 in the form of 2. So 4 is nothing but 2 square, and then this 4 has the power cube, right? Multiply by a to the power 3. I'm doing the rest of our sum, the half page of this. Now this is solving of 2 to the power 8 multiple a to the power 5 divided by 2 and 3 will get multiply. Power of power. 2 3s are 6. So here we are going to write 2 to the power 6 multiply a to the power 3. Now as you could see, the bases are same and in division form. So 8 minus 6, numerator's power minus denominator's power. Okay, and a bases are same. So numerator's power 5 will get will subtract 3 from it. So minus 3. So let us do it. It's 2 to the power 8 minus 6 multiple a to the power 5 minus 3. So answer is 2 to the power 8 minus 3 is 2, 2 to the power 2, and a is also having the power 5 minus 3 as 2. Now the bases are different, but the power is same. So you can write it commonly as 2a in a bracket, and they have the common power 2. You can answer it like this. Okay, so this is how we have done. Thank you students for watching the video. I hope you have understood all the solutions very well. We are going to meet soon with the left questions of the same exercise. Till then, have a nice day ahead. Goodbye.